Hi, everybody. I am Kim Tierney. I am the Director of Academic Coaching here at Tierney Education. And today I'm going to walk you through our updated course organizer for fall 2026. James, our CEO and founder, and I have worked on this together over the last few years. And each year we continue to refine it based on what we're seeing with our students. So, what's working, where are students getting stuck, and what's actually helping you stay organized and feel in control of your semester. This tool is something that we use with all of our coaching students, but it's also available for anyone who wants a clearer system for managing their classes. The link to download is below. So let's walk through what each tab includes and how we use it. So one thing that is relatively new is this student info tab. So this is a big update, and it's where we take a step back and try and think bigger picture. So not just what classes you're taking, but where are you headed? So we'll put things like your major, your minor, your link to your academic bulletin, your university bulletin that will have all of the entrance to major requirements and then also what you need to do to graduate. This will help us make sure that your semester and what you're doing right now aligns with your longer term goals. It also gives us a place to reference when we're making decisions about future coursework or internships or other priorities of that nature. Next up, we have our course info tab. And here is where we build a dashboard for all of your courses. So we put things like the course name, the professor, where the class meets. We have all of our students upload a link to their syllabus to our Google Drive so that you and I, my students and I, can both see the syllabus, how the professor wants to be contacted, and then also when and where are office hours. Office hours are one of the most underutilized resources available to students, and I really like to encourage students to take advantage of those. There are pieces of this tab that feed the rest of the course organizer. So anything that gets put in this box here where it says course 1 shows up in other places throughout the organizer. So let's say that the next course that you're taking is English 15. We can put that here and then you'll be able to see where that shows up elsewhere in the organizer. My students and I complete this together during our first coaching session. So we have that clear dashboard to work off of for the rest of the semester. So the idea is to create a dashboard in that first coaching session that we can work off for the rest of the semester. So it takes that information that's spread out across different places like the syllabus, Canvas, and LionPath and puts it all in one place. Next up, we have the course recap tab. So this is something that we use every single week. For each class, we're asking our students, what did you cover this week? What made sense? What didn't? This is a small habit that makes a big difference. It helps students stay actively engaged in their classes because they know I'm going to ask about it, but it also helps with retention of information. We know from the learning science that the more you pull information from long-term memory into the forefront, the more likely it's going to be to stick in your brain long term. It also allows me as a coach to stay really connected to what is happening across all of your courses. Next up, we have the weekly to-do list. This is probably the most utilized tab. This is where we map out your week. So what assignments do you have? When are they due? And most importantly, when are you going to start them and when are you going to finish them? This start and finish process is everything. A lot of students know what's due, but they're not thinking about when they're actually going to do it. So this is where we can shift from reacting to deadlines to, oh my gosh, everything is due today, I'm so stressed out, to actually planning and managing your time to make you feel like you're more in control. As you'll be able to see here, when we pull this down, the classes that we have listed on the course info tab will show up here, and we also have a space for clubs and personal. Our goal each week is simple. You leave the session with a clear and realistic plan for your week. The big picture tab is where we can map out the full semester. So here we will put in things like exams, projects, papers, presentations, key deadlines, outside of school commitments even, like if you're going to a conference or an out-of-town event, or going on vacation. This helps us see busy weeks before we happen. So if I see that in week 7 you have 4 exams, you're not going to want to start studying for all 4 of those exams week 7. We want to start planning in weeks 5 and 6 to make week 7 a lot more manageable. So we can see busy things before they happen and adjust accordingly. This helps us so we don't feel as overwhelmed, right, when everything hits right in the moment. Next up is the attendance tracker. This is pretty straightforward. We put in your courses based on how often you meet, and we track whether or not you attended each class. It's really simple, but what makes it powerful is being able to see patterns over time. If you start to see missed classes adding up, it gives us a clear signal early on. A lot of academic struggles start with missing class. So this helps us catch problems before they snowball into really big problems. Next up is the goals tab. In the goals tab, we set SMART goals for this semester. So, and not just academic, we also like to look at your physical wellness, your mental wellness, social goals, professional development. We want to support you as a whole student, not just what's happening in the classroom. Throughout the semester, then we can check in to see, are you making progress on these goals? You said you wanted to save $200 this semester so that you had a little bit of a cushion going into summer. How are you doing on that? You said that you wanted to build out a LinkedIn process for this or profile for this semester. How is that going? Where are we at with that? It just helps us check in on these bigger picture things. Next up, we have our GPA calculator. This helps you understand, again, where you're at now and where you're going to end up. We can do some troubleshooting to calculate if the semester ends best case scenario with these grades, or if it ends worst case scenario with these grades, where does that put you for your semester GPA? Where does that put you for your cumulative GPA? This is especially helpful if we're working towards something specific, like my goal is to achieve Dean's List, or I need a 3.2 for entrance to major, those kinds of things. Next up is our grades and notes tab. This is where we keep track of where your grades are each week throughout the semester. So we can start to see like, man, your grade is slipping like 1 or 2% every week. What can we do to make an adjustment now so that we don't end up with a worse grade than we anticipate or that we feel like we can earn? It also helps us to see all in one place if there's anything that needs attention. And then last up is this assignments needs tab. This is just for breaking down larger assignments like papers, projects. It helps us break them down into smaller, more manageable steps. That way, instead of feeling overwhelmed by one big deadline, I have this giant project to do that's worth 40% of my grade, we can make a plan for how to work through it. And if we have multiple big assignments, we can duplicate this tab as many times as we need to for each one. So that's our fall 2026 course organizer. At the end of the day, our goal isn't perfection. It's helping students feel organized, prepared, and in control. This is the exact system that we use with students every week, and it's something that we've seen make a real difference. If you're one of our students or families, we'll be using this together. And if you're on your own, hopefully this gives you a clear starting point. As always, feel free to reach out if you have any questions, and I hope you have a great semester.